What are you doing?
Just give me 1 second. You know what I realized? Riley hasn't had lunch. Remember?
Pizza?
Yes,
Great,
pizza.
that's good. What the heck is that?
Broccoli on pizza.
That's it. Ooh, I can cook that. I feel like they should have given that pizza a chance, and my joy is saying we can make it. Start by sauteing broccoli in a splash of oil. We only want to cook the broccoli until it has brightened in color and is just beginning to soften. Then, remove the broccoli from the pan and add some butter. When the butter is melty, toss in some garlic and stir until fragrant. Next, make a simple roux by whisking in some flour and stirring until slightly thickened before pouring in heavy cream and freshly grated Parmesan cheese, plus a generous pinch of black pepper. The Parmesan should slowly melt into the cream and create a delicious garlicky sauce for putting on our pizza dough. Roll out the dough on a pizza peel and then brush it with olive oil from edge to edge. Then we'll spread on the sauce, leaving just enough room around the edges for a crust. Finally, we can add our shredded mozzarella cheese, cheddar cheese, and sautéed broccoli, plus a little more cheddar to glue everything together. Pop the pizza onto a preheated pizza stone and bake until the crust is golden brown and the cheese is melty. Flavors are like feelings. Some of them you don't like, but you've got to deal with them to appreciate the ones that really make life worth savoring. You've just got to find the right balance of weird and wonderful. Just like this broccoli pizza. Its cheesy, crunchy crust pairs perfectly with the buttery, tender broccoli. Cooking, filming, and photography are definitely 3 islands of my personality. What are some of yours? And what fictional feasts should I make next? Let me know in the comments below. If you liked this video, don't forget to flip that sub button and ring the dinner bell so you can be notified of my latest recipes and foodie adventures that I post every week. Do you ever get hungry? You can find this recipe and many more with ingredient amounts and step-by-step instructions over on thestarvingchefblog.com. I hope you all enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next episode.